Hey guys, Rowdy Yates, High Plains Biochar. We are here with the Continutiki. This is our version of the Kontiki kiln that's very popular around the world. We've made some adjustments. We've added a cover for it to contain the emissions, which greatly reduces the emissions that are that come out of this machine. We've added a grate so that the larger pieces don't fall through and end up uncooked, like what happens with a lot of Kontiki kilns. We've added a quench pump, so we were able to quench this biochar as it comes out of this auger. And that uses a lot less water than your typical Kontiki that ends up being flood quenched. And then we have this auger here that unloads it. So this reduces the amount of labor that's required to operate this machine compared to a Kontiki. So we've made a lot of improvements over the regular Kontiki, and I want to show you guys just how simple this is to operate. So today we've got just some sawmill waste here, basically just some pine sawmill waste left over. So we're going to go ahead and just build up a layer of this stuff here in the stove. We're going to add a little bit of paper to help get the fire started. Layer this in here a little bit. But I just want to show you guys how easy this is. This is basically just like starting a fire in a wood stove or a campfire. So we've got a little bit of wood in the fire there now, and we're going to go ahead and light the fire. Okay, so now we've got everything ready. Here we go. So that's how easy it is to start the Continutiki. We're going to go ahead and close the door and let this get going, and we'll check back in about 10 minutes. Okay guys, we've been running for about 15 minutes now. As you can see, we're up to temperature. It looks like we're up around 670 C. And we're gonna go ahead and get ready to load some wood in here. Okay, as you can see, we've got a good fire going here, but we're gonna go ahead and add some more material to it, just to show you guys how easy this is to operate. Okay, now all we gotta do is close her back up. That's how easy it is to load the Continutiki. Okay guys, as I told you before, today we were running on sawmill waste, but one of the neat things about this Continutiki is you can run it on stalks as well. So right now this is sunflower stalks. You can see the sunflower head, but it also runs great on material like this that normally wouldn't run through a continuous machine very well because this can't really go through an auger system, and it's hard to grind this up and get it to flow through because it has a lot of this fiber in it. So anyhow, this is another great use for the Continutiki on stock materials like corn stalks, hemp stalks, sunflower stalks, grasses and reeds and that kind of thing.